Welcome all the members of Cargoman family. It is giving a lot of energy to me seeing all of you uh, energized, smiling, and happy. And Mithila has made you more happier by showing our makeover photos. In fact, it gives me a lot of pleasure and pride to be in front of you because you are the people who have made the Cargoman. We are into the business for last 20 years, but your efforts, your hard work, your smart work, your contribution has made our company a good company, a sizable company in the market. When somebody asks me, what is your achievement in last 20 years, I have no hesitation to say it is the love and affection of 350 people, which is an achievement for me because 350 people combined together is giving trust to me. That is my biggest achievement. The last 8 months has not been very easy for us. These were the difficult situation. We were passing through the pandemic. And after 25th March, when the whole world was at home, they were scared about their life and they were keeping themselves at the home. You are the people who are delivering the goods, whether it is related to the COVID, whether it is related to the raw material required for the client for further economic activity. So I am proud of you for all your efforts during the pandemic for the last 8 months, which has helped the company to smoothly sail across with the difficult time. I would like to specifically thanks our operation team who is in front of the battle without caring for their life, safety, and security. They have been delivering. Whether it's Ganesh, Suresh, Janardhan, and their team in Air Cargo Complex, Hyderabad, Naveen and team in Bangalore, Pradeep Rajkumar, Suresh Vasantan, and their team in Chennai, Sangeeta Vishal Mahinder in Mumbai, Gaurav and Pawan in Delhi, Yogesh in Pune, KVS in Vizag, Anand, Nagesh, Amit in Hyderabad. All were involved in delivering the cargo. But logistics company is something like a battlefield. Some people are in the front and some people support from the back because unless there is a support, we can't win this battle. There was a good support from the DSC side under the leadership of Shankar and Satya with an able guidance from Sharmaji. And from the operational side, Fani, Venu, and respective branch head, regional heads were supporting them for delivering and satisfying our esteemed client in this difficult situation. In such battlefield of a company, even if you deliver the cargo, unless there is a support of the finance team, you can't win the battle, you can't earn the money because ultimately this is the finance or the earnings which make the company run, which is the fuel for the organization. So Abhijit, Chinni Krishna Rao, Kalpana, and respective branch accountants have done wonderful job by supporting in this difficult situation. Customer support of respective branch, I understand situation was not easy. At home working with the less infrastructure, unlike the office where you get at least support from the peer group, communication was difficult, but all of you have delivered and worked on timelines. Sales was difficult to perform because movements were not possible. Rajendra, Patri, Suman, and the entire sales team have done wonderful job. Client support is ably done by the implants and the key account manager because the client understanding the client requirement is one of the most important key factor in our business. And all this could happen under the able leadership of our managing director Harihar Nath, who has always been positive in spite of pandemic, because he understood the client requirement, he understood the requirement of the people, and he was leading from the front in many of the cases, directly handling the client to understand the need, because the whole requirement, the whole business scenario was changed. So we came in the front and understanding the need. We were ably supported by our HR team, understanding the need of the people at home, Hari Prasad and his team, and further supported and guided by Rajiv Thakral was fantastic. And our international flag is held by Vishwanath, who has been very positive entire 8 months and working hard to make the Cargoman a global company. Rajiv recently joined and working on various strategies which will work out and which will make the Cargoman from a good company to the great company. In upcoming days, we'll be working out on our people, process, technology, new areas, and developing more domain expertise, going with an extra mile. The purpose of the entire effort is to make the government to work. All this require your continued support and trust. We will reciprocate your trust in every aspect of your life. Thank you very much. Thank you, Rajiv and team, for creating this wonderful event and making it happen. Thank you.